Ikea released so many new products this spring. We've covered some of them in our last video, but of course I've missed some of the best ones. So today we're doing a part 2. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mon, and this is my doggo Mars and my other doggo Zara, and we love all things Ikea DIY and interior design. So before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! We're starting right off with a new sofa line at Ikea this spring, and that is the SALTMYRAN Sofa. This one immediately caught my eye because it's a full sofa for under $400, which honestly feels really rare these days. The shape is simple and modern, with clean lines that make it easy to style in different types of living rooms. This feels like one of those pieces that would work especially well in apartments, first homes, or anyone looking for a stylish sofa on a budget. Next, we have this gorgeous dining table, which has a really beautiful warm wood tone that gives it a slightly Scandinavian and slightly retro look. It's simple in the best way, with clean lines that let the wood finish do the talking. And what I love most about this piece is that it doesn't feel overly trendy, it just feels timeless and like a piece you buy once and stick with for many years to come. And if you want a full set, Ikea also released a matching bench. Benches are such a smart addition to dining spaces because they visually take up less room and make the whole setup feel a little more relaxed and casual. Loving this combo so much. Now let's talk about tiny but fun little lighting find, and that is this new LED decorative light. This is one of those affordable pieces that can instantly add a cozy glow to a shelf, a bedside table, or even a little reading corner. And for under $7, it's just the kind of thing you might accidentally end up buying 3 of. I especially love the gradient options, it looks so high-tech. And speaking of lighting, another small but very practical addition is this new LED nightlight with sensor. This is one of those products you don't realize you need until you have it. This one automatically lights up when it senses movement, which makes it just perfect for hallways, bathrooms, or even kids' room. Basically, anywhere you don't want to turn on a full overhead light in the middle of the night. Next up is this cute little basket set. I especially love this yellow one, it looks so fun. The color combination is playful and bright, which instantly adds personality to storage. These 3 boxes come separately, but they work just perfect together if you pair them for things like toys, blankets, or just random living room clutter that always seems to appear out of nowhere. Now, an old Ikea find we all know and love that was given a new look this spring is the lac wall shelf unit. Lac has always been one of Ikea's most iconic shelves, and to now have an option to get it in this gorgeous blue color is just perfect. This one gives you a lot more display and storage space while still keeping that minimal floating look that people love about the lac series, and I just can't wait to get one for my home. Now, another simple but very useful new find is a smaller version of the TRÖSKNING bin with lid. This is one of those pieces that works basically everywhere: bathroom, desk, kids' room, craft spaces, and is just a small, clean bin that helps you keep surfaces organized. Although it's basically made for recycling, I can totally see this one used for so many different things around the home, and to have it now in this smaller version is just everything. Now, a new collection at Ikea this spring I'm dying to see in stores, it's like it's made especially for me, is the SOLUPPGÅNG collection that was actually designed with real outdoor living in mind. And there are a few new pieces here that are so simple yet so practical and functional, focusing on natural materials and practical designs that are so easy to take with you for a day outside. However, the best part for me is that they don't actually feel like outdoor pieces at all. They're stylish enough to keep inside the house too. Enough talking, let's start with the first item, which is this gorgeous folding table. This table is just perfect for outdoor setups. I love it so much. The design is honestly perfect for outdoors, but also for balconies or small patios. Because it folds, it's easy to store when you're not using it, which makes it ideal for smaller outdoor spaces. I'm definitely getting this one for our camping setup. Also, this matching stool is just so cute and so practical. It keeps the same natural wood look and makes the whole setup feel really relaxed and just casual. Perfect for summer mornings or any outdoor adventure. As a part of this collection, there's also a mug, bowl, and a plate. They all come separate, but they just look so cute all together. They're so cool and just the perfect addition to a camping or outdoor setup. I love that they all follow that classic outdoor enamel style that's lightweight, durable, and just great for picnics or camping. Not to mention they have this slightly vintage aesthetic that always feels perfect for long-term use. And speaking of picnics, there is also a new picnic blanket as a part of this collection, and I'm just dying to get this one. I love the color and the design and the fact that this is the kind of thing you just throw in the car or bring to the park and suddenly you have an instant outdoor hanging spot. Another product I love so much from this collection is actually this basket/cooler. I mean, I've never seen a cooler that looks so stylish. The woven bamboo design makes it feel like a classic picnic basket, but it's actually designed to keep your food and drinks cool, which is honestly on another level. And another really practical addition from this same collection is this cute little cutting board. If I'm honest, I was looking exactly for a cutting board this size. It's simple, natural, and great for prepping snacks outdoors or just bringing along for picnics. There are also a few textile products in this collection I just cannot go on without mentioning. There are two cushion covers which just look stunning. I can't wait to get these for the van. These patterns have a really nice graphic look that works well both indoors and outdoors, especially if you want to refresh patio seating for the season. And there is also a throw, which is just perfect for cooler evenings outside. I love this collection so much and just can't wait to see it in stores. And finally, we're finishing off with another textile product, which is this colorful throw. This one brings a lot of color and personality. The pattern feels playful and cozy at the same time, making it a great accent piece for sofas, chairs, or even outdoor seating. Plus, the fact that this one is handmade makes things so much better. And that's our wrap for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't seen part 1, make sure to go and see it right now. There were so many new IKEA pieces I just had to mention in last video that you just don't want to miss. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell allowing all notifications, and hit that like button to never miss another video from me again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! Oh, hi there, Zara. Oh, hi there, Mars. You've been such good doggos. You've been such good doggos. Zara, you went somewhere in the middle of the video. I noticed you. I noticed you, girl. And Mars, you're just so used to filming that I can't even with you. I mean, guys, are you loving this setup? Please let me know in the comments. Please let me know. Bye bye, guys. See you next week. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.